What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we get the new VW Polo track. Because affordable small hatches are quite popular in South American countries, so Volkswagen put a lot of effort into developing a replacement for the outgoing Gol. The VW Polo track is a new version of the subcompact model that will be produced in Brazil with basic equipment keeping its price as low as possible. Now, VW recently revealed the facelifted Polo for South America, but the Polo track is a different model, despite the fact that it shares the MQB-AO underpinnings in most of its exterior and interior design. The most important difference between the two has to do with pricing, since the Polo Track 1.0 MPI starts from $79,990 or $15,052 US, a lot cheaper than the R92990 or $17,499 US of the more powerful and better equipped Polo 1.0 TSI. The price is also identical to the outgoing VW Gol that is going out of production by the end of 2022, giving away to the new blood. Now, the Polo track is distinguished from the standard Polo by the unique grille pattern and the omission of the LED strip and the halogen headlights, with the different bumper intakes without body colored elements. The profile looks identical with the exception of the matte black 15-inch hubcaps. The color palette also includes 4 shades, which are solid crystal white, ninja black, metallic series silver, and metallic platinum gray. Changes at the back are limited to the light colored taillight housing, where the track lettering underneath the VW emblem and the new bumper feature a larger portion painted in black and an adventurous looking skid plate instead of the Fox tailpipes for the regular Polo. Now, overall, the VW designers did a great job in hiding the budget character of the Polo track, making it look quite modern despite the many similarities with the pre-facelifted 6th Gen Polo originally introduced in 2017. Now, inside, things may look a little bit more basic due to the cheaper radio until that replaces the touchscreen and the old-style analog dials on the instrument cluster. Now, everything is covered in hard plastic with lightly colored texture areas, trying to make it more appealing. While the seats are upholstered in fabric, VW is proud of its longest wheelbase in the segment, measuring 2.56 millimeters, 100.8 inches, and with a 300-liter boot. Now, equipment also includes air conditioning, electric steering, electric windows at the front, and remote door locking. The launch model will also get a sound system, Bluetooth connectivity, a multifunction steering wheel with integrated buttons, a couple of USB ports, and a roof-mounted antenna. But don't expect any ADAS features in such a budget proposal, with safety amenities being limited to hill start assist, ESC, seatbelt alert, plus ISOFIX and top tether points for child seats. Now, at least the automaker saw fit to equip the Polo track with 4 airbags. And the MQB-based model is fitted with a naturally aspirated 1.0 MPI flex engine producing 83 horsepower, 62 kilowatts, 84 PS, and 101 newton meters, 74.5 pound-feet of torque. Now, that's similar to the entry-level engine that is available in Europe, but with the ability to run on both gas and ethanol. Now, power is transmitted to the front wheels through a 5-speed manual gearbox, and this is the only available configuration for the Polo track. So those who want a more powerful turbocharged engine and the option of a DSG automatic should look at the regular Polo. And alongside the reveal of the new Polo track, VW also announced the swan song of the outgoing Gol. The Gol Last Edition has a limited production of 1,000 numbered units, featuring plenty of standard kit and visual tweaks inside and out to mark the special occasion. Now, the VW Gol remained in production for 42 years in different forms, spending 27 years as Brazil's best-selling vehicle. And the current third-generation Gol, based on the VW Group's AO platform, was introduced back in 2008 and went through consecutive facelifts in 2012, 2016, and 2018, keeping it relevant. So with that said, what do you guys think about the new VW track and the last edition of the Gol? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the new VW Polo track and the Gol Swan Song. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links in the description below, where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, and Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate that extra love and support. Also in the description is the Ron's Rise merch page. You guys can get the new hoodies I dropped for the winter, and you guys can check out my social media links as well. Now make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise news video. Peace.